Hello, teacher. I hope that you're okay today. My name is Javier Fernando, and today I'm going to speak about my favorite store. Okay, there you go. All right, in my favorite store, my favorite store is a sport shop. Oh, okay, in this store you can find everything about the sport. For example, look at the picture. You can find here a jacket sport and snake sport too, and a lot of thing around this girl. Okay, continue. So here you can find too blouses sport too, um, leggings sport too, and sweet shirts sport. Sweet shirt. Okay, continue. Look at it. This picture. Okay, check it out here. Here you can find in this FS store snake sport and uniform sport about different teams around the world. Yes, for example, Liverpool teams, Inter teams, and Real Madrid teams and other teams. Alright, there are a lot of uniforms for here in this store. Continue with our my favorite store with my favorite store. Okay, in this store there are a lot of a lot of clothes and a lot of things sport. You can find here too a backpack, look the backpack sport and cap sport and shirt sport, different things. I say that, and for example here yes a boys sport in another thing. Continued with in our favorite store. Okay, so here we have in this store we have a bat sport, volleyball. I'm sorry, volleyball bat and ball soccer, ball basketball here and ball volleyball and baseball ball. Yes, and that's it in this store. This store sells around the all sport teams, and that's it.